Supta.
Whoa!
Rainbow. Wixen.
Oh.
Is she here? She's still here.
Torib! Woohoo!
Okay, no, alright. Hello, welcome to the stream. And it's just
Oh.
ages loading back up. We were playing Just Cause 4, but I kept on dying, so
Mashka, Sublime.
I'll be doing that whole bit off camera, and then doing the stream maybe tomorrow. So.
Cliff Laluga Growl.
Web. Fricka Fribs. Freen. Ha!
Oh, label you.
You just go. Let's go.
Skimbo.
I'm sorry, but just go. We're not in the mood to talk to vampires. He was a vampire. He was as well. What is that?
Oh. Dage.
Oh.
Something on the bridge. Just do it. Oh! Her son. No, yeah, it's her son.
Oh, Calgoey Arabe.
Still haunting us. Even help. She's doing it again. Why are you going for?
Terrible. Harbu.
What thing is that?
Sip.
A preb.
Sash.
Dag dag. Dag dag.
He was going to faint in a minute if he don't be careful. I didn't realise he was sleeping. So standing there like a right lemon and I didn't realise. She's hungry, so she's so tired, but let's just get her to cook something. She can't cook much. I know, let's get her to do something. Even though she's a bit angry. She's fuming though, but let's try and get her to cook something. Let's get her to cook that. No, just do it. There, go.
Boba. Oh, Yaffa Spar.
Okay, so let me just get you to eat that. And then put that in the fridge. Just get you to get the leftovers. You're gonna eat as well. She looks like she's like 10, but she's like. What is it? Okay. Oh, I see. And she's definitely not a fairy. She can only take to a fairy nest.
Uh-huh.
Grebo!
What's wrong with that toilet? She the toilet doesn't stay clean at all.
Woo!
And they keep being sick.
Oh,
No, Scala.
disroble!
Balza. Oh, Maline. Knalla. Ina? Epsa? Huh.
Jeff.
Oh.
I do like his moves. I didn't choose them. It's just
Ganalas.
I think. Can't remember. Oh yeah, I made him into a fairy, so I did choose him. Remember then. Why is she playing brain again? You did that.
Oh. Alright. Ooh. Benaya. Yeah.
Yeah, for some reason it won't stay clean because I keep puking on it for some reason. Which one of you is being dramatic? Oh, it's him. Okay. She can sleep as well. It's funny. This will make them go to sleep.
But I. Been
You can't sleep in there. He's absolutely tired, so let me just sort him out like cheaters need. Just 'cause the baby. Leave her alone, she's asleep. I'm not gonna make her go to school. She is like pregnant and stuff, so she needs to rest. Yeah, well done. And plus, I forgot to make them bring up. She had a family lost, so I'm just gonna check her family tree because that's her mum. So she had a single no, yeah, she had a single mum called Shelley. She has a daughter. She actually has a daughter. Um, oh, she has a brother as well. She has a daughter. Oh no, why am I seeing you? Yeah, that's fine. No, she doesn't have a daughter. I just got confused there. Um, I have a baby, son, daughter, son, daughter, son, daughter, daughter. Jeez. Okay. It's gonna take a bit of time to load. Stepdaughter, stepson, daughter. Okay. And who the parents are. Father and mother. Oh, so she had one kid with him. Oh, so he has two kids. Son and daughter. Okay. So he has two kids. Fine, yeah, it's fine. You didn't need that anyway, because you have a girlfriend, even though you haven't asked her out yet, but still.
Ugh. While it's doing that, I'm just AFK a minute.
YouTube search is Skyrim. Okay. That's one way of doing it, but still. I never went out of that, but still.
Oh, Steve! Travoy!
I don't know why it's in the room, but still, it's part of the decor.
Bebso. Arm boy.
Let's do that. Doesn't need a creeper if you want out where the bathroom.
Vom Awosa.
She's on the third trimester already. She's still getting morning sickness even when she's out in the third trimester.
Oh.
I mean, it's quite scary how realistic they're making the game. And luck, because you had that in real life as well. Oh, it's the jeans, okay.